Hello, my dear friends. Once again, A.S.S Science Foundation is here with a very inspiring story of one of our students, Ravindra MAITY. So, Ravindra MAITY has done his master's in marine biology and oceanography from Annamalai University, Tamil Nadu, and he did his BSc in industrial fish and fisheries from Vidyasagar University, West Bengal. He was a part of our regular program along with the online program at Delhi Center, and he worked very hard for various entrances as well as UGC NET. In that series, he first qualified UGC NET Environmental Science, and he was preparing very hard for all the other entrances as well as interview and research proposal writing. In that series, Ravindra Mehti got the final PhD admission in Environment and Sustainable Development at Central University of Gujarat, which is one of the central university and doing a leading work in the field of sustainable development and energy. On such a remarkable feat, the entire team of A.S.S Science Foundation would like to congratulate our student Ravindra Mehti for his PhD program and wish him good luck for the new journey. At present, the institute is offering offline, online correspondence with video and only correspondence program for UGC NET June 2025, along with the crash course for GATE Ecology Evolution and Environmental Sciences for February 2025 and GATE 2026. Institute also offers entrance and PhD training for various universities and institutions in the field of environmental sciences. Institute also providing the comprehensive program for CUET PG as well as UG and the interview guidance for the various exams. Institute at present is also offering the program for Haryana State Assistant Professor for Environmental Sciences and all other job exams such as Power Grid and Pollution Board. So those who are interested and wish to succeed in the minimal time, they can reach us on the given numbers through our Instagram page, web page, or Facebook. So those who are interested, they can reach out. Once again, we would like to congratulate Ravindra Mehti for such a remarkable feat. Thank you.